Hey parents, we want to make sure that we are staying in contact with you. We have several different ways to do that. We have Class Dojo, and we will be sending home a form for you to sign up for that on the first day of school. We also have Google Classroom. We will be setting up each child's Google Classroom, hopefully the first week of school or so, and we would really like to have your email so that way you can look on Google Classroom to see updated information. And as far as Google Classroom, we'll also be posting instructions for you to sign up to Infinite Campus to look at the parent portal. This is where we will have all of your child's information, and we want to make sure we have the updated information. Something else that will be posted on Google Classroom is supply list, also uniforms and book bags. So if you have any questions, you can go to Google Classroom, or you can also ask us.